Mukti is the most powerful superconscious based software for modern day human beings to manifest powerful cognitions and powers. Every thought current expressed in that, every idea expressed in that is rooted in Vedas and Agamas. Understand, the methodology of teaching in Hinduism is 4 steps. First, Shastra Pramana. The truth should be established in Vedas and Agamas. Shastra. Second, Apta Pramana. The great masters, incarnations, enlightened beings like Rama, Krishna, all those masters, rishis, aptas, Saptarishis, all those great beings should have applied that science and given their testimony, their input. That's called Apta Pramana. And the person who is teaching, the Guru himself, should have applied and experienced it as Atma Pramana. Only then it will become Sakshi Pramana for you as a reality. Atma Pramanas are good for me, my experience good for me, but only if it stands the scrutiny and acid wash of Shastra Pramana and Apta Pramana. It is useful for the whole world. It can be shared with the whole world. Living enlightenment, Jivan Mukti, is the software Sadashiva revealed to me for this modern age. How many ever times you read that book, it reveals itself layer by layer. How much you can receive, that much it reveals. She is like Mother Ganga. Mother Ganga can solve your immediate problem of thirst, and she can solve your biggest problem of birth and death and give liberation. She can give you end to end, whether it is just ordinary immediate thirst, quenching it, or liberating you from this very birth and death cycle. Jivan Mukti is Jnana Ganga from Sadashiva's Sahasrara. This is the most powerful spiritual software revealed to humanity in the recent days. Anybody who goes on reading and contemplating, anybody does Pratyahara and Dharana Dhyana on Jivan Mukti book every day will achieve the Samadhi state of functioning from that highest superconscious cognitions. Building powerful cognitions in your being manifests as powers. Every single word in this book is a powerful cognition. Take it, apply it in your inner space and manifest it. You will see you manifest powers left and right. Jivan Mukti is not just enlightening you, it is empowering you. The book is not given to you just to give buddhi to you, it is given to you to give buddhi and shakti. It's given to you to have powerful cognitions and powers. Powerful cognitions are equivalent to God in Hindu tradition. That is why the Vedas are worshipped as gods. Powerful cognitions are worshipped as gods and goddesses in Hindu tradition. The space of Para, ultimate, manifesting powerful cognitions and manifesting powers is living the life of Jivan Mukta, Sada Shivatva.